No.
Yeah,
I'm not
good.
getting one.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right. Everybody look. All right, now that you finished that, we're going to go over this. Now look. We already went over the first one. I'm going to do it again anyway because there's an example here that I want to get to. And it's with the word because. Now, you remember when you were in like elementary school and the teacher was like, you can't start a sentence with because?
No, I don't remember.
Yeah. Can't you start a sentence with because?
Yeah, they lied. Because you can start a sentence with because, but you have to have a comma in the middle and you have to attach it to an independent clause. Now, look at this. Pete didn't go to work yesterday because he was ill. What's the subordinating conjunction in there? The word because. Okay? Now, do we need a comma in there?
No.
No. Because the because is in the middle. Bless you. When the subordinating conjunction is between two clauses, right? When it's in the middle of a sentence, you don't need a comma unless it shows contrast. The because is clearly in the middle. Because is not a word really that shows contrast, so you don't need a comma before it. But I'll tell you though, if you were to flip this around like this, flip those two clauses around and begin the sentence with because, you would need a comma. Because when you begin a sentence with a subordinating conjunction, you have to have a comma after the first clause. Now, that would make this a sentence that begins with the word because, which would be contrary to what you were told before. So, if you started this, it would say, because he was ill, comma, Pete didn't go to work, period. That's what would happen if you flipped it around. Now, you started a sentence with because. It's a perfectly good sentence. You can do that. But you have to have a comma in there, and you have to attach it to an independent clause. This one. As he was feeling unwell, Pete didn't go to work yesterday. It's like the same.
Comma.
Yeah, what's the subordinating conjunction? As.
He was
Okay? As. So we underline as. Do we put a comma in that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
After unwell.
After unwell. As he was feeling unwell, comma, Pete didn't go to work yesterday. It begins with a subordinating conjunction. Therefore, you have to put a comma after the first clause. So it's gonna. Why is my smart board's not working? God, it was last period. Just for my video.
Fight his camera.
I can make faces at the camera.
Fight.
All right.
He's got some beef with that camera.
As he was, oh yeah. So number 3, I'll lend you a map so that you can find the place more easily. Oh, here's an interesting one. What is so that? Wow. Did everybody get that? More than one word?
Nailed it.
Now, in case you didn't get that, right? In case you thought maybe it was just that, or maybe it was just so, or whatever. You can look at this because remember, there's always going to be like the so that is attached to you can find the place more easily. You can find the place more easily just by itself would be an independent clause. But we've added so that to it, which makes it subordinating, because so that is a subordinating conjunction. It ruins that independent clause. So you can find the place more easily, so that you can find the place more easily. Now look what's left. I'll lend you a map. Is that an independent clause?
No.
I will lend you a
Actually,
map.
yeah.
Is that a sentence?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you have I'll lend you a map. That's an independent clause. Then you have so that you can find the place more easily. Now, if you want to know, well, how many words? How do I know it's not so that you? Because you is part of this clause. You understand? Like it's all like pieces. So I'll lend you a map, and you can find the place more easily are both independent clauses. The so that, right, is a thing that is out there. Is its own thing. That's the subordinating conjunction. This one. I'll call you as soon as I get home. As soon as. Everybody got that? I know you all don't, because I see some people fixing it. As soon as. Again, I'll call you, I get home. Those are both independent clauses. As soon as is attached to I get home. So you have a subordinate clause. You have I'll call you, And then you have as soon as I get home.
So it doesn't accommodate.
Does this one need a comma? No. As soon as is in the middle. How about this one? I'll wait until you arrive. What is the subordinating conjunction though? Until. Where is it?
Right in the middle.
It's in the middle. Do we need a comma before it? No. Did he say anything before he left? Right, we underlined before. That's the subordinating conjunction. Do we put a comma before it?
No.
No, because it's in the middle. The next one. The baby gets very grumpy whenever he's tired.
Whenever.
Whenever. Do we need a comma?
No.
No. Because it's in the middle. If he doesn't change his attitude, he'll lose his job. If. Do we put a comma? Yeah, because it begins with it. And where does the comma go?
After attitude.
After attitude. Even if you win $1 million, it doesn't mean you'll be happy.
Even if.
Nice job. Even if.
Let's go.
Even if you win $1 million, it doesn't mean you'll be happy. And we put the comma where?
After dollars.
After dollars.
I hate the
I'll lend you my car, providing you promise to be careful.
I'm gonna say this one's
I'll lend you my car. Yeah, providing.
Yeah, isn't that one you can put?
Yeah, it shows that could show
transition, right?
transition. You could put a comma before that to show transition, contrast, right? Like I'll lend you my car. It's like providing or if only if or whatever. You know, it definitely like shows contrast. Everybody got that?
C.
Yeah.
Okay,
Do you
good.
want this?
Kill that.